Hi, yet again we've got another fantastic Land Rover Defender 110 X Dynamic SE. Now this one's a very special one because it's got the family pack. Now that's a £3,600 option, which gives it the 7 seats and air suspension. Not had one with the 7 seats, so if you're looking for a Defender 110, let me tell you, this car has over £8,000 worth of factory options from standard. Finished in Tasman Blue Metallic paint and has the exterior black package as well. 6-month-old vehicle, November 2022, and it's just done over 2,200 miles as we're videoing today. So let's have a look around. What a wonderful colour. Must admit, I do like this. I think it's probably the nicest colour we've had. Tasman Blue, obviously unique to Land Rover, but beautiful, beautiful car. Exterior black package, so all the plastics, the wheel arches, the lower plastics on the vehicle are all black. It's got the contrast black roof. This one has the 110 decal as well on the bonnet. Very, very nice option. 170 quid on Land Rover's website for that sticker, but you know, I think it looks wonderful. This has got the upgrade wheel as well, even though they ride on 20-inch wheels as standard. This has got the 509 4 wheels, so they're a £550 option. We've then got the classic mud flaps front and rear. We've got the side steps as well. Privacy glass obviously standard, black roof rail standard. Now coming round the back of the vehicle, we've got the tailgate spoiler similar to that on the HSE extra. We've then got the colour-coded rear wheel carrier extra. Just I'll show you the 7 seats there in the up position, so you get this little bit of a boot area, but not seeing the 7 seats, very same as obviously in a Discovery, but gives it an even more accessible and more family orientated vehicle, where you can adjust the back seat, and also entrance to the 7 seats is the same. Just look at it, we've got the full luxury carpet mats, the 2-tone leather interior, the seats just drop down, they slide forward, and hey presto, the kids can get into the back there. We've got the Alpine windows, traditional on Land Rover, and we've got the opening panoramic sunroof. Now just look at the sense of occasion in this particular car. Memory seats in the front, full electric seats, the full Land Rover communication system. As I say, 2,140 miles. Now this is live here in Wigan, so you can drive away in this vehicle this weekend. No waiting around, no 12-month wait list, with a car with £8,200 of factory options. The 7-seat family pack, air suspension £1,650. But when you buy the family pack, you get the self-leveling, so it self-levels depending on how many people you've got in the car. Now that, I would suggest, what a complete vehicle. Lovely colour, absolutely beautiful, balance of manufacturer's warranty. So if you want one of these, don't delay. We've had a couple in this week. They're going straight away. Within 24 hours of going on the website, they were gone. This one has the family pack. So give us a call. I'm Graham. I'll help you in any way. If you've got a part exchange, we'll take that in, whatever you've got. If you've got finance on it, we can settle that, and we can then obviously refinance on this absolute wonderful, wonderful vehicle. So give me a call here in Wigan. Thanks for watching our video.